This is the midterm practice for 2015-2016. So first thing I'd like you to do is make sure you have your midterm with you, the practice midterm that I've given you, and also that you've actually already attempted this problem. If you haven't attempted this problem yet, then I want you to go back and attempt it first. Okay, we're asked to do two things. Find the perimeter of this object and also find the total area. Now the perimeter is the distance around the object at the edges. So first we have this circumference and then this piece and this piece, which make up AB. So the circumference of the circle plus AB plus BC plus CE plus EF plus FG plus GA. That'll be the perimeter of the object. Now let's go to the solutions worked out. So having your midterm with you so you can look on as I read this through, the total perimeter is the perimeter of the circle plus AB plus BC plus EC plus FE plus FG plus GA. We already know the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and we're given the circumference is 8 pi. This means that the radius has to be 4. Well, if the radius is 4, then the diameter is 8. Well, now look at your picture on your midterm. If the diameter is 8, then that means segment AB and DC are also 8 because they match the diameter of the circle. We're given that the area of rectangle ABCD is 128 meters squared, and we know the area of a rectangle is width times the length. So if we take the area of 128 meters squared and divide by 8 meters, this means that both BC and AD are a length of 16. And since H is the midpoint of AD, this means that AH and HD must be 8 meters also. The two rectangles are congruent, so that means also that ED is 16 and FG is 8. All right, now we have to find AG, which is the hypotenuse of a right triangle, in order to get the perimeter. Triangle AHG is an isosceles right triangle. So this means AH squared plus GH squared is AG squared. 8 squared plus 8 squared is AG squared. So 128 is AG squared. So AG is the square root of 128, which can be simplified into 8 square roots of 2. And now we have everything we need to get the perimeter. We just substitute in everything that we know now. The total perimeter is 8 pi plus 8 plus 16 plus 24 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 square roots of 2. Combining like terms, we get 8 pi plus 64 plus 8 square roots of 2 meters, and that's the exact perimeter. To get the approximate to the nearest hundredth, we plug this into our calculator, and we get a perimeter of about 100.45 meters, and that's the approximate. Second thing we had to do was get the area, total area of the object. So area total is the area of the circle plus the areas of the two rectangles plus the area of the triangle. Well, we're given the areas of the two rectangles, so we substitute 128 meters squared. Area of a circle is pi r squared, so we put in 4 and we get 16 pi. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, and so 1/2 8 times 8 is 32. Combine like terms. The exact area is 16 pi plus 288 meters squared. Plug that into our calculator. We get an approximate area of 338.27 meters squared. That's the approximate. And that is question 1.